Hey there, let's see, let's discuss about this error. Like, it's basically a warning that each child in a list should have a unique key prop, check the render method, etc. etc. So mostly we get this error when we try to map an array without having a key. So is it worth worrying or not? If that's the issue, then like if you have a big application or if you want to like point out a certain uh, element in an array, then you should need it because let's take an example of cards component and uh, let's say you have numerous cards but you want to point out a certain map element, certain card out of everyone. So you can point that out, perform operations on that card based on that key element. Okay, so let's say let's just first get rid of this error. Let's go to the code. Here I am having a simple array data and I have two elements and we are rendering like this. So what I would do here is I will just pass a key like this. Key would be like, let's say we have second index. Second argument is always the index. So we will pass it here. Let's say, great. Yep, the error is removed now. Now why the error is removed? Because we just gave it a key prop. Okay, a key like yeah, key prop. So based on your like use case, you can define it that you may need it or not. In case I have to select like I have to like remove that Monday card from like from the array, I will just remove it based on that key ID. So yeah, that that's what it is about.